let's say that you've pulled all of your students from the data spreadsheet and you want to use the filter tool. Let's say that you only want to sort and you want to find certain scores between certain projected percentiles for EVOS, or maybe by their achievement level. So let's do achievement level. Let's say you want to find all of the 2s in your class. You just click this little arrow right here, and then you can select what will show up. So you can deselect everything, and let's say you only want to see the kids that made 2s and 3s. That will show the kids that made 2s and 3s. And from there, if you wanted to sort the percentile that they made or sort their score, you could go up here to sort and filter, and then you could do smallest to see, okay, out of my 2s, this was the score from lowest to highest. Now if you want to see everyone else again, you just click select all, and all of the scores will show up. You can do that for anything in a spreadsheet. So you just come here to score. Let's say you want to find between a 232 to a 236. Looks like here that this many kids in my class, only a few, made that. And let's say that I wanted to find my projected percentile and I wanted to sort that. I could just go here and then I could sort from largest to smallest to see the biggest percentile down to the smallest one. And then if I wanted to do insert to have every kid show up again, I would just click clear filter, or I could just select all again.